everybody, thank you so much for joining me for this video today. My name is Nicole and I'm a part-time reseller on eBay and Poshmark, and today I have a mystery bag haul for you guys. So I did have one of these recently, and I happened to go back to the same store and they still had bags, so I decided to pick up two bags. I paid $4 for one bag of dresses, so they're all mystery dresses, and then I paid $2 for a bag of tops or sweaters. So I paid $6 for all of this stuff. I'm not sure how many pieces are in here. I'm hoping to find a couple, like maybe one or two really good pieces that I can sell for $20 to $40 or something around there out of each bag, so that I will be making money. And if the rest is something I have to redonate to the thrift store, I'm totally okay with that. I purchased these knowing that the majority of it I'm gonna end up redonating or giving away. So I do usually keep stuff for the end of the the season, and then in the summertime my church has a garage sale and I always donate a lot of stuff to them too. So I definitely have places to take the stuff that I don't sell or that's not like brand well enough or style, you know, in style to resell. So I particularly really like this thrift store because they do have pretty decent prices and they usually have sales and stuff like that. And now they've started doing bags. So that's really exciting. I hope that they keep doing it because I know I can get a large amount of inventory and it's just like fun. So I usually don't find a ton of stuff in each bag, but like I said, if I can find a couple things, you know, I can turn $6 into $60 or whatever by selling two items for $30. I'm totally happy with that. So one bag is dresses and then one is winter tops. So I actually think, and they're still in the bags, I think I'm going to do the dresses first. And I'm excited to see what's in here. Oh wait, did I not get dresses? Oh, I didn't get any dresses, guys. I thought I got dresses. That's a bummer. I got ladies sweatshirts for $4 and ladies winter for $2. So all these are size small, it says, which I didn't realize that. But yeah, so let's see if I can find anything and that is decent or that I can even resell or take to a consignment shop. This one is definitely not sellable. It's Mill Bluff Medical Center. This is a place here in my area. I definitely can't sell that. I don't think anyone would buy that. This is a Broncos hoodie. NFL team apparel. I could try to sell this, but I'm not really excited about it, so I probably won't. I'll let you know if I think I'm going to sell any of this stuff. This is a fleece. So it says it's a size small. It's basic editions, which I think used to be Kmart or something. I might keep this for myself. I kind of think it's cute. A cute print. Are those snowflakes though? I'm not much for snowflakes. I don't think I can sell this. So it's not looking good so far. Here's another hoodie. This is an Aeropostale hoodie. Aeropostale is not something I pick up to resell. Here it is. Says Rebel on it. Honestly, I don't think I can resell that either. Kind of a bummer. I'm seeing not much of anything in this bag. This is Danskin, and you know, one time I had a bag that didn't have any tags on it, so it looked like that stuff actually hadn't gotten on the floor. This stuff all has the tags in this bag, so this has probably been on the floor. This is Danskin. I mean, if this was like, I maybe keep this for myself. A hoodie for myself, maybe. There's a lot of hoodies. This is ASICS, Chicago Junior National Volleyball Championships. I honestly don't think I can sell this. It's from 2013. I can try, but it's just going to be looking. This will have to go to a special buyer, so I'm thinking I won't. This is funny because I'm pretty sure I saw this and was thinking about buying it for myself a while back. It's just a black hoodie, and the back says Gypsy Warrior. And I don't think it's really worth anything, but I think the hoodie is kind of like cute. This is just the brand So. It is a cowl neck sweater hoodie thing. Probably keep this for myself, honestly. I don't think that brand's worth selling. So, okay, this is Hanes. Guys, this bag is pretty bad. This is just Hanes. I don't know if I can sell this, honestly. Some of these might become projects. I like doing dyeing, dip dyeing, stuff like that. Yeah, that's really probably not worth anything. Sadly, I'm into my last piece, so I hope this is good. It's by Caslon, which I know is sold at like Nordstrom and stuff. Maybe keep it for myself. It's like a hoodie, a snap front. Not something I would particularly pick up, but maybe I'll keep it. So this bag really was a bust. Most of the stuff, I mean, I might see if I can keep these. I don't know. Probably at least one piece I'll keep. So far, not good. This again says winter, but I think there's a couple button-up shirts. So I don't think it's all winter. Okay. Do these have tags on them? These don't have tags, so that is good. That means the stuff was probably never on the floor. This is Maxim Liberty. Looks like something a grandma would wear. This is maternity. Oh, I thought it said maternity. It doesn't say maternity. Yep, it's probably something a grandma would wear. Not me, but this is Rue 21. I might be able to sell this as like a Y2K style because it is kind of Y2K. So maybe even Rue 21 will sell for in that style, like a Y2K. This is just a button up by Apartment. I won't sell that. None of these have tags, so that's actually kind of nice. This is Liz Claiborne Weekend. I don't think I can sell that. This says it was winter, but some of this stuff is really lightweight. This is Land's End. Maybe something I'll keep for myself to wear in the house. Not worth it in my opinion. Old Navy with stars. That would be maybe cute for like 4th of July. I don't know. I don't really see ever doing anything with that. Old Navy again. I do sell to a consignment shop in town. It's not consignment, but it's like a thrift store kind of. And she does take a lot of Old Navy, so maybe she would take a couple of these pieces. This is a top by So. Off the shoulder. Maybe if I styled some of this really cute. So far, guys, this isn't going good. This is Don Pedro Night, Sand and Palm Island. I don't know. Looks like something someone got when they were on a vacation. Gulf of Mexico. Berry Islands. Yeah, I don't think I'll sell that. This is Full Tilt, whatever that is. And it is a hooded long sleeve top, tab sleeve. Yeah, not doing anything with that. Unfortunately, I'm not finding much good stuff, guys. Old Navy, again. Yeah, I don't think I would wear this, and I don't think I could sell it. This says it's supposed to be winter. This is not winter stuff. Okay, this is Old Navy. It's actually kind of cute. Probably gonna donate that. sad. I was hoping to find a few good things. This is by Art Gecko, whatever that is. It's a little crop top. It's kind of cute, actually. I mean, it's not something I would wear. Maybe I could style it with something and sell that, maybe. That's in the maybe pile. Benebo's. I don't know what that is. Polka dot. It's not that these shirts are bad. They're just not something that I'm probably going to be able to sell. It's not that they're bad. It's not that they're in terrible condition either. This is Express. Honestly, I don't mind selling. I mean, I'll sell a lot of Express, but I wouldn't mind if it was a really cute style. That's not. Oh man, this is good. This is a bum. This is bumming me out. Okay, this is actually a cute top. It is by Debs though, and I don't think that store's open anymore. At least on my area. It's got a tie in the front, so maybe people who really like Debs. You know, Debs is. I think it might be out of business now. Maybe I could sell that. Thing is, people don't really look for that brand. Allison Daily. I don't know who that is. This is kind of Gap-ish looking at me. Some people might really like this stuff, but this is not stuff I can sell. Okay, this is a button-up top. Chambray. Not sellable. Dress Barn. Wait, yeah, Dress Barn. I might be able to sell this. I wouldn't be real excited to list it though. It's a purple Dress Barn shirt, but it's a really nice material. I haven't found anything that I'm real excited about that's like a decent brand that I can resell. This is Christopher & Banks. It's actually a nice shirt. But I don't think I would list it. I've tried Christopher & Banks. Never. I can never sell it. This is a super plain sew. Long sleeve. One piece left, and I'm thinking it's Christopher & Banks. It's not, but it's kind of like it. It's Land's End. It's not that these are bad shirts, but I just don't sell these brands, or very rarely. So almost everything I can't do anything with. I might be able to do a couple things with, like, maybe if I really style it cute, and like try it on and like style it cute, I might be able to sell some of these. I'm not real happy with what I got, but you know, for $6, you know, there's probably like 30 items or so, maybe more. What do I expect, right? So the things I'll probably try to list, I might try to list this, or maybe I'll put it in like, have like, you know, a container, because I have some stuff that I'm not really interested in listing, but if for some reason I can't get inventory, there's like a shutdown or something like that, I would list it. This I probably could list cheap. It's a kind of bohemian. I probably could make it look cute in a photo. Otherwise I wouldn't list that just by itself probably. This I'll probably keep for myself, just to wear in the house. It's lightweight. If I list this as like a Y2K top, it probably would sell. It is a burnout style. It is something that is very Y2K, in my opinion. I don't think I'm going to list this. I think that's going to go there. This I may keep. I may just give it away. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to keep that. I don't think I'm going to list this Dress Barn. I honestly don't think I would even list it. I have a lot of stuff to list, but this I might keep for myself. This hoodie. Otherwise, I will end up And then this I'm going to keep for myself. This Gypsy Warrior. I'm going to keep this for myself because I kind of wanted a black zip up, and now it's actually in really nice condition. So out of all of the pieces, I'll probably end up keeping one for myself and two for myself, and trying to list these and make back my money. So this I will definitely list as a Y2K top. This is very Y2K, and I think it would actually sell. It'll probably sell as a Y2K top. And this, I'll have to style it, I think. And I might have to style this as well. I'm not sure how old this is. Debs isn't in right now, but it could be a Y2K top. I'm not sure though. I'm thinking maybe not because it's a tie waist. It probably will really look cute with jeans, so I'll probably style it. So overall, not really happy with all the stuff I got because it's just not really any decent brands that I can sell well. But if I go back to the store, I might pick up another bag because you never know what you're going to find. It's really fun to open. I enjoy the excitement of like the mystery and of opening it. So I'll probably would still, get one next time. Maybe not two though. We'll see. It looked like some of the stuff didn't have tags. Some did. So either they took the tags off, which I don't think they did. So I didn't even find like the little plastic long thing, So I don't think that they took the tags off, but it's nice though to get stuff that's not been on the floor yet. That's for sure nice. So hopefully next time I'll be able to find some better stuff. Anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content from me. I do try to post weekly, so please subscribe so you can find out when I post new content. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you later. Bye!